Cool Dude.
And
Little Dude.
yeah. Hey. Oh my. So it's just me and Little Dude here. Say hi, Little Dude.
Hi.
And we're just hanging out. It's a nice day. And we were wondering, what's Hoggy up to? Or Cool Dude? What's Cool Dude up to?
I don't know.
Let's go check. Come on. Open the door. There he is.
Oh, hi.
Hey, Cool Dude.
Hi.
What are you up to?
I'm drawing a picture of a motorcycle and a boat.
Nice. Hey, that reminds me.
What?
I have an idea.
What?
Let's head outside. I got a surprise. Over in those bags, you were drawing a motorcycle and a boat.
Yeah. What? A boat. Ah. Daddy.
That dude. Nice. What color is it?
It's red and white.
There's a little black stripe.
Oh, you
There's a
got
remote control.
Yeah.
What do you got?
I got a motorcycle.
Cool. Who is that?
It's Chase.
Chase is on the case. Okay, let's open it up. We got the toys open. Looks awesome. So what do we need to make it go, guys? What do you think?
Batteries.
That's right. So let's look. We got to look underneath on this side.
There it is.
Okay,
Oh, we need
good.
batteries in this
Luckily, I got my
too.
trusty
Screwdriver.
screwdriver. That's a Phillips head. Can you hold that?
Okay. That's what I can hold that.
Oh, no. Let's let Cool Dude do that, buddy.
Okay.
And so the lefty loosey. Turn it to the left.
There we go.
Is that enough?
Yep.
Yep. It has a little extra compartment. So we'll do this one first. Okay, so how many does it need?
Two.
1, 2 on this side, and 1, 2 on this side. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go to our battery box and open up, and it needs AA batteries. So which ones say AA? These say AA. Got that on there? AA. So I'm gonna open that up. Oh,
Dad.
and we need 4.
Excuse me.
Yeah, we're putting in the
Can I
batteries.
unscrew this, please?
Good job. Yeah, you want to start unscrewing the controller?
Uh-huh.
All right. So the spring goes on the flat side. So springy, flat side springy. That's 2. How many is that?
3.
3. And how many is that?
4.
4. Now one in the right way. We come back over to Mr. Chase. Is on the case. And it goes. Oh, we want to match those metal pieces to those metal pieces. All right. Okay. How's it coming there, little dude?
Good.
Okay, let me lock this one up. So now I'm going to go righty-tighty. Spin it to the right.
Why is this not coming off?
Good job. All right, little dude, I can help you. Always ask for help, right? Can't get it. Lefty loosey. And let's see how many this needs, little dude. What do you think?
2.
What's your guess? You think 2? I bet 2's a good answer, a good
I
guess.
put 1, actually.
1?
2 or 1.
2. But this is AAA, so 3 A's. That means 3 A's. So we'll go back to our box. And AAA's. So they're a little smaller. And we only need how many?
2.
2. Good job. We can shut that. And we'll put the flat side on the spring. 1, 2. And put our lid back on. Now, time to see if it'll work.
can drive it around the yard.
All right, so that doesn't have an on or an off switch. So it just stays on when the car's on. Okay, so let's look at this. What do you think, little dude? Think there's an on off switch?
Looks good.
So it looks like, flip it. Good job. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. So that's forward and back.
Mm-hmm.
And this turns that front wheel, I bet, left or right. Good job. Here, let me try it. That's pretty cool. All right, little dude, let's see. Good job.
Can I see?
So,
Little dude, can I see?
case is on the case. Oh, no. Oh, stayed upright.
Oh, fell down.
Crash.
See if he goes in the yard. Oh, man.
Oh, no, those aren't big enough.
Let's keep him up here.
All right, let's let little dude play with that.
Okay.
And now, let's look at your boat. Okay,
Yeah.
so that was the Paw Patrol Chase RC motorcycle. And now we got the Nano. What is this? This is from Adventure Force.
Yeah. Adventure
Adventure
Force.
Force Nano boat.
Got the
Red one.
Yeah, red one. I
Okay.
like the color red.
So now, what do you think we need?
We need
This
batteries.
says it has a water sensor. This charges on its own. It has a water sensor, so the propellers won't even work without water. So I brought this box out for you. And now where's the hose? Do you see a green hose?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
I'm going to go turn it on.
You turn it on? Okay, I'll hold it in the bucket.
What are we doing?
We're gonna fill this with water so he can ride his boat.
I want to watch.
Yeah.
First, we got to part this.
You wanna hold that and fill that up?
First, we got to part this.
There we go.
It's kind of like a water slide.
And we want to keep that one away from the water, little dude, so it doesn't get wet, because that'll ruin that one.
That's why I'm parking away.
Okay, good call.
Good call. Turn it off so it doesn't. Ooh, it's even chilly.
A little cold?
Yeah. Oh, because it's winter time. Not cold to me.
Not cold to you, little dude?
The big waves.
A wee bit chilly?
Hey, that's cool. It hits it hits right here, the wall, and then it turns around.
What do we call that in the water? when the
current.
water- A current. That's right.
Yeah.
So smart. Okay,
So
walk
I'm
over there slowly, and I bet by the
Oh,
time
let's
you
go,
get
let's
over
go,
there,
let's go.
it'll be deep
Let's
enough.
go.
Is it
Oh,
cold
let's
now?
go, let's go. It's getting colder.
All right. Okay, it's off. Good job. You can pull the hose out.
Pull the hose out.
Good. And so the
That
been
drip over
charging. On the charger has a little charger port. Here, pull that boat off. Good.
there. Good job,
It has a
Bobby.
sensor on the bottom. Look, flip it over. See, that tells it when it's in the water. These won't spin unless it's in the water. It says, let's see if it works. Let's see if this is a good toy. It's a good purchase or not.
Go.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Nice. That's cool. So when you turn one way, only one propeller goes to make it turn.
Yeah.
So if one side goes, it's going to push it to the opposite direction.
See? This is so cool.
Yeah, so that one's going. So it's going to make it spin that way. And that one's going. It's going to make it spin that way. What do you think? Thumbs up or thumbs down on this toy?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Bye. See you next time. Say bye, little dude.
Bye.
We'll see you next time on
Mandy.
Mandy.
Yeah,